In a small village, there was a boy who used to overthinking everything. Even the smallest thing would stay in his mind for hours. If someone spoke to him differently, he would think, do they hate me? If he made one small mistake, he would feel like his whole life was ruined. At night, even when everyone was sleeping, his mind would still be awake. Fear about the future, thoughts about people's opinion, people's that had not even happened yet. Slowly, he became a prisoner of his own thoughts. One day, he decided to visit a Buddhist monk who lived near the village. The boy asked, Master, my mind never feels calm. I keep overthinking everything. How can I find peace? The monk smiled gently. He brought a glass of muddy water and said, Shake this glass as hard as you can. The boy kept shaking it. The water became dirtier and dirtier. After a while, the monk said, Now place it on the table. The boy placed it down. A few minutes later, the mud slowly settled at the bottom and the water became clear again. The monk looked at the boy and said, Your mind is just like this water. When you keep disturbing it with fear, stress, and overthinking, your life becomes unclear. But when you stay still and calm, the answers slowly became clear on their own. The boy became silent because for the first time in his life he understood something important. Peace does not come from solving every problem. It comes from calming your mind. After that day, the boy slowly started changing. He stopped giving attention to every negative thoughts. He spent more time enjoying the present moment. He learned to let thoughts come and go. His problems did not disappear completely, but his mind was no longer his enemy. So, if you are tired of overthinking, remember this story. Not every thought deserves your attention. Sometimes, when you stop shaking the water, life became clearer by itself.